Do you want to speak correct English smartly and confidently? Let's see a few examples. Watch the video till the end. You will learn more and more speaking tips. Have a look at the sentences. Which one sounds correct? Close the tap after use or close off the tap after use. What do you think? Close the tap after use is the correct way of speaking. I am going to wash my hands. I am going for hand wash. Do you wash your hands before and after eating food? What do you say? How do you say this? I am going to wash my hands. This is the correct sentence. Read these sentences in your mind. What sounds correct? Is the hot water ready or hot water came or what? Is the hot water ready is the correct way of speaking. Which one is right? Are you reading? Who is talking so loudly? Or who is making noise so loudly? Who is talking so loudly is the correct sentence. What is this in the picture? It is a shoe rack. Two sentences are given here. Read them and tell which one is the correct one. Keep your shoes at the rack or keep your shoes on the rack. Keep your shoes on the rack. Keep your shoes on the rack is the correct sentence. What is this picture about? It is a bed. What are the two sentences here? Read them and find out the correct sentence. Make your bed neatly or arrange your bed neatly. Make your bed neatly is the proper way of speaking. Oh, what is this? What has happened at the dining table? What do you say? Don't spill food on the table or don't spill food on table. Don't spill food on the table. This is the correct sentence. Are you reading? Which one is the correct? Okay, let me read. Comb your hairs properly or comb your hair properly. Which one sounds correct? First or second? Comb your hair properly. The singular and the plural form of hair is hair itself. The plural of hair is not hairs. What is this? It's a five-letter word. What is it? Yes, it's a towel. What are the sentences? Read and find out the correct sentence. My towel is completely wet. Or my towel is wet completely. Identify the correct one. My towel is completely wet is the right way of speaking. Oh, the boy is asking something to his ma'am, to his teacher. What is he trying to ask? Read the sentences and find out. Which sentence should he use to speak correctly? May I sit down, ma'am? Or I sit down, ma'am? May I sit down, ma'am? Is the correct sentence. I hope you will use all these sentences in your daily conversation. Keep practicing.